If you are looking for the best DMCA Ignored or offshore hosting for your website, then this video is for you. And in the end, I will tell you how you can get the best discount. So stay tuned and let's start this video. First, let me tell you what DMCA Ignored or offshore hosting is. A DMCA Ignored hosting simply protects the website from DMCA notices, copyrights and other takedowns by the owner. This means even if your website gets a DMCA or copyright notice, then the hosting provider won't take down or delete your website immediately. So you won't lose your website or its files, and you can take a backup of your website too. But it doesn't mean that you can use someone else's content without their permission. The hosting provider will ignore all such notices if you didn't take any action even after several claims by the owner. Then you may face issues if the actual owner takes any illegal action against you. But overall, DMCA Ignored hosting helps you from false claims and misleading claims, so that you can create your content or run your business easily without any restrictions. Now let me tell you about the best DMCA Ignored hosting option. So here we are on CloudHost website, and if you want to visit the website, you can use my affiliate link which is given in the description. And below you can see its top features like 100% fully DMCA ignored, privacy protection guaranteed, fair and affordable prices and free website migration. Scrolling down you can see they offer different types of DMCA Ignored hosting like shared, VPS and dedicated servers. And here you can see the monthly pricing and the feature that you will get with these plans. So let's talk about the shared plan. I will click on this explore plans button and click on view plans. Here you can see the basic plan which starts from $3.50 per month, and you will get these features like you can host one website, you will get 10 GB NVMe SSD. Not only SSD, you will get NVMe SSD which is super fast, means more faster than normal SSDs. Also you will get 1 GB of RAM, 3 email accounts, 150 GB bandwidth which can easily handle up to 50,000 traffic per month, 5 subdomains, direct admin panel, lightspeed servers, their support and SoftClose app installer to install CMS like WordPress. Their servers are located in Netherlands and they also provide 30 days money back guarantees. Also you can see different technical specifications that you will get with these hosting services. 99.9% uptime guarantee, direct admin, quick WordPress installation, weekly backups, lightning fast storage, 100% privacy, and also you will get 24/7 chat support. So if you have any doubt or any queries related to your hosting, you can contact their chat support. So now let's talk about how you can purchase this plan with the best possible discount. So I will go with the pro plan as it offers double resources as compared to this basic plan. So I will just click on this order now button. Now here we need to enter our domain name. So I will just enter blogging app, and here I will enter extension which is .com, and we'll click on use. Now we'll need to select the billing cycle. So let's select annually as we won't able to get the coupon discount on monthly plans. So we will select annually. Now we will click on continue button. So here you can see the total amount which is $75.47, and here I will enter the promo code which is BR10. You can see the current price, and after I click on validate code, you can see we get the 10% discount and the final price will be $67.92. So we got 10% one time discount which is 7.55 USD depending upon your plans and billing cycle. Also if you are planning to buy a VPS plan from CloudHost, you can use this same coupon code for additional 10% discount. So now we will just click on this checkout button. Here you need to enter your details, your name, last name, email address, phone number, addresses, billing address, country, etc, password. Scrolling down, and now we will select the payment mode. You can select Razorpay if you want to pay via UPI, credit card or debit cards, or you can select PayPal if you want to pay via PayPal. So if you want to receive their information, news and special offers, you can select this or uncheck this. Now we will click on complete order. And depending upon your payment mode, you will redirect to payment page where you need to complete your purchase by entering your payment details. So after entering details, just click on pay now to complete your purchase. After that, your payment will be done and your purchase will be done. So this was a quick video on the best offshore hosting, or you may say a best DMCA Ignored hosting, which is CloudHost. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if yes, then don't forget to subscribe the channel to watch more content like this. And yes, if you are planning to purchase DMCA Ignored hosting through CloudHost, then don't forget to use my affiliate link which is given in the description below, so that I can earn some commission through it and it won't affect your purchase cost. And this is how you can support me and this channel. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.